Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial for Science Year 6, Unit 2 Classification, and this is video part 1. This unit tutorial is in 2 parts, during which I will walk you through the unit so you come out feeling confident in how to access the resources, the content of the unit, and how to make any adaptations for your class. This video will walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, and the unit sequence of learning. There are many resources available for this unit on Oxford OWL: the Science Progression document, the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, the Unit Planning Guidance, PowerPoint slides for every lesson, Pupil Workbook, the eBook Workbook online, additional resources to go alongside the lessons, and the Pupil Knowledge Guide. To access the resources, log into Oxford OWL, click on Subscriptions and the unit and year group you want. You can scroll through all the resources, or you can use the drop-down tabs to select the unit and resources you want to look at. Here you'll find all the resources you need to successfully teach the unit. Here is an overview of the disciplinary and substantive concepts for the unit. You can pause the video and read through them now, but you can also find them in the progression document and the unit's planning guidance. Here are the 2 units that we've identified as having the main prior and future learning links for this unit: Year 4 Living Things and Environments and Year 6 Evolution and Inheritance, and you can find a list of bullet point facts in the unit planning guidance on how these units link together. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. There are 6 lessons in this unit, which are approximately 2 hours each. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson. Pupils should be able to answer the lesson question based on their new learning at the end of the lesson. To support this learning, at the start of each lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This also allows opportunities for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions. Every lesson ends with 2 exit questions, which also allow teachers to judge the understanding of pupils before moving on to the next lesson. To prepare to teach a unit, you recommend you read through the Teacher's Subject Knowledge Guide and read through the unit planning guidance. This will also help you become aware of any upcoming trip suggestions or activities that need resources. And you should use a copy of the Pupil Workbook to complete the activities yourself, if possible. We'd recommend using a Pupil Workbook as a teacher copy to do this. We provide the answers for each activity, but working through the activities yourself will allow you to put yourself in your pupil's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars for each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back for part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit to prepare for.